Good morning, mates. Beautiful day out here, just gorgeous. Water clarity is still good. It's dropped off a bit. Gonna put it at about a 6. You got 2 sets, just over 2 foot. Flat calm out there at the minute. Little bit of west in the wind. It's northwest, so it's gonna come around north. It's building during the day. It's going to end up being about 16 miles an hour from the southeast. But there's always a rule: when the wind's in the north, the bait moves out. It looks like that's what's going on at the moment. Still very fishable, but we'll see what's happening. Anyhow, let's look at the tides. We had a high tide at 3:04 this morning, low tide 9:18. That's in about 40 minutes. High tide again 4:07 this afternoon, with a low tide at 10:20 this evening. There's a small front come across us, and I see there's highs and lows mixed in to the north of us, so I'm expecting the wind to build up. The other thing is we've got that low pressure moving into the Gulf. I don't know if it's been named yet, I'll check it, but that could cause us a problem. They say it's going to go into Florida the same as the last one, which did an awful lot of damage on the East Coast. But the effects we have are more likely a day later, or maybe 2 days later. Once the surf builds up in height and it ends up going to the dune line. Although it went in at Florida, we get the sort of residual effects of it. But that will be determined by how big that storm is. Anyhow, the Patreon giveaway today, where we give a rod away to one of our lucky Patreon supporters as a thank you for all the help they give us, and Surfmasters got a donation as well. Real interesting. It's a shark pack. It's got rigs and everything you need all in one pack. There you go, mates. I'll put the drone up so you can have a look and see what's going on. All right, you all have a great day. This is Nickaway from Breakaway. I will keep you posted, and this is your best damn surf fishing report. Stay safe.